Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? It's a really good news for all BTT holder, my brothers, to after a very long time, especially from last 24-hour, BTT is wake up and take a very good profit now. I'm so excited, I'm so happy because my brother, one of my favorite BTT absolutely take a very good profit in this time. So if you are already holder, so congratulations, my brothers, they will give you a profit. And if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good time, my brothers, to you invest now. Please remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, please research personally before you take any decision now. This time last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and I am going to explain this to an upcoming time. There is how many charts, my brothers, today will make today will take an upcoming time. Everything I will discuss, you completely explain this chart, but kindly you need to like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Hope you like and subscribe channel. Alright, come to the point. This time, my brother, the Bittorrent price is completely increasing from last 24-hour. 5.97 USD dollar a person, my friends, they will take a profit. And if they will take, my brothers, 10% profit, so I will give you guarantee, my brothers, so they will hit now 0.1 USD dollar at the midnight, my brother. But they will just only take a 5% profit, so I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will easily hit 0.1 USD dollar at the end of month. This is possible easily. This is they will hit now. But holders, that's all just all you need. You are my friend, if you are starting investing, if you are holding, so I hope, my brother, they all depends on you, my brother, then they will move upward now. But if you starting selling, so they will dumps down more and more, and they cannot give you a profit. So don't miss this chance, take a very good profit enough, and I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will completely go in the moon now. So don't miss this chance. Thanks for watching, holder. Hope you understand. Please like this video, remember to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.